Hello and welcome to this video on intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a method of eating that involves alternating periods of eating with periods of fasting. Brief overview of its popularity for weight loss. In recent years, intermittent fasting has become extremely popular for weight loss. People all over the world are discovering the many benefits of this method of eating, including improved metabolism, reduced calorie intake, and increased weight loss. This is statement. In this video, we will explore the science behind intermittent fasting and how it works to help people lose weight. We will also look at the different methods of intermittent fasting so that you can find the best one for you. How intermittent fasting works. Explanation of the basic concept. At its core, intermittent fasting is a simple concept. Our alternate periods of eating with periods of fasting. During the fasting periods, you eat nothing or very little, while during the eating periods, you eat as you normally would. The science behind it. The science behind intermittent fasting is complex, but in simple terms, it works by forcing the body to use stored fat for energy instead of glucose from recent meals. This leads to increased weight loss, improved metabolism, and other benefits. Explanation of different methods of intermittent fasting, such as 16-8-5-2. There are several different methods of intermittent fasting, each with its own set of rules and guidelines. The most popular methods include 16-8, where you fasting for 16 hours and eat for 8 hours, and 5-2, where you eat normally for 5 days to 2 weeks. We will explore each of these methods in more detail in the next part of the video. Benefits of the intermittent fasting. Weight loss. One of the most well-known benefits of intermittent fasting is weight loss. By restricting your calorie intake for certain periods of time, you can force your body to rely on stored fat for energy instead of consistently using the energy from the method. This leads to weight loss. Additionally, intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce overall body fat, especially belly fat, which is associated with an increased risk of heart disease and other health problems. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting has also been shown to improve the insulin sensitivity, which is the ability of your cells to effectively use insulin to regulate blood sugar level. Improved insulin sensitivity can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and other metabolic disorders. It also leads to improved energy levels and better overall health. Increased metabolism. Another benefit of intermittent fasting is an increased metabolism. During the fasting periods, your body is forced to work harder to find energy, leading to an increase in metabolic rate. This not only burns more calories but also boosts energy levels and overall health. Increase cellular repair. Intermittent fasting has also been shown to increase cellular repair processes. During the fasting periods, your body is able to focus on repairing and regenerating cells, leading to better overall health and reduced risk of chronic disease. Fasting has been shown to stimulate the production of human growth hormone, which plays a crucial role in repairing and regenerating cells, lower risk of chronic diseases. Finally, intermittent fasting has been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By reducing overall caloric intake, intermittent fasting can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve overall health. Consideration before starting intermittent fasting. Before starting intermittent fasting, it is important to discuss it with your doctor, especially if you have any medical conditions or are taking any medication. Your doctor can help you determine if intermittent fasting is safe and appropriate for you and can provide guidance on how to get started. Avoid fasting if pregnant or breastfeeding. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should avoid intermittent fasting as it can have impact on the health of your baby. Additionally, women who are pregnant or breastfeeding have different nutritional needs and should not restrict their calorie intake. Gradually increase fasting periods. It is important to gradually increase your fasting periods rather than jumping straight into a long fasting period. This will help you adjust to the changes and avoid negative side effects such as headaches, fatigue, and low energy levels. Gradually increasing your fasting periods will also help you build your tolerance and make the process easier and more manageable. Avoid overeating during non-fasting periods. Finally, it is important to avoid overeating during your non-fasting period. Intermittent fasting is not an excuse to eat unhealthy foods in large quantities. Stick to healthy and balanced diet and you will see the best results. Consuming a balanced and nutrient-dense diet during non-fasting periods will help you feel satisfied, maintain stable energy levels, and improve your overall health. Tips for successful intermittent fasting. Drink plenty of water. Intermittent fasting can be tough on the body, so it's important to make sure you stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keep you feeling down. Make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and more if you are active or it's hot out. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial when it comes to intermittent fasting. Lack of sleep can lead to feelings of fatigue and sluggishness, making it harder to stick to your body. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to keep your energy levels up and down. Exercise regularly. Exercise is a great way to stay active and healthy while doing intermittent fasting. Regular exercise helps to boost metabolism and increase energy levels, making it easier to stick your fasting schedule. Choose an exercise that you enjoy and make it part of your routine. Consume nutrient-dense foods during non-fasting period. When it's time to eat, make sure to choose nutrient-dense foods that will nourish your body and keep you feeling full for longer. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, and lean protein are great options. Try to avoid processed food and sugar drinks as these can lead to quick spikes in blood pressure. Recap of benefits. Intermittent fasting has a number of benefits including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, increased metabolism, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. It is important to remember that Everyone's body is different, so what works for one person may not work for others. Intermittent fasting is a great way to lose weight and improve overall health, but it's important to remember that it's not a one size fits all approach. Find what works best for your body and stick with it. If you are considering intermittent fasting, go for it. It can be a great way to lose weight and improve your overall health. Just remember to speak with your doctor before starting any new diet or exercise program. It's important to always speak with your doctor before starting any new diet or exercise program, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions. Your doctor can help you determine if intermittent fasting is right for you and guide you through the process.